Men Matter Scotland is a mental health charity for men, a suicide prevention charity, a safe space and a peer-to-peer support network. We have attempted to bring everything that we know works in terms of preventing male suicide under one roof, free of charge, and facilitated by people with a passion and a desire to help others based off their own experience.
We now have a programme in place, so there's something mental health related every morning, a day with a class, to help the guys move forward with their own mental health. And we've got lots of singing, football, hill walking, recreational stuff that the boys can get involved in.
I went through quite a confusing stage as a young man, and during that time I attempted to take my own life. I attempted to seek help throughout those times, and I felt that the help that was available to me didn't work. So myself and another member of the community started a pilot project called Dads Matter. We ran this project for 13 weeks, it was really successful, and all of the participants at the end of that pilot project identified that they needed it or something similar to continue. During that discussion we realised that every single person that had taken part in that pilot project, including myself, had tried to kill themselves at some point in their lives. We realised then that it wasn't a support network for dads that was needed, it was a support network for men.
We've got all sorts of guys that walk through the doors. Our youngest is 16, our oldest is 95, but they all mix well together because they're all here for the same reason.
A focus on health and well-being is, in our opinion at Men Matter Scotland, an absolute top priority for funders such as the National Community Fund. If we can increase people's well-being, the ripple effects of that, the impact on their family, on their children, on their neighbours and their communities is absolutely immense.
I'm a recovering alcoholic, cocaine addict, and survived 7 times suicide attempts. It helps me in my recovery, helping other people helps me stay sober and clean.
I haven't heard anything more impactful than individuals or family members telling me or the team here that they would not be alive if it wasn't for the support in this service. It starts with community.